Aaron Ross keyboard grips in gel purple. Don't get them. Fails. You got the pitch raw front tyre. Get with a bike. Got your Salt front red rim. Got your Salt forged pegs. Salt hub. Dusty. Snap brake lever. Get a gyro soon. I've got my Salt stem, which is a bit scratched because of the video camera guy. And I've got your Weird People Justice frame with got some stickers. E-Clap Surge red pedals. I used to have black, then I got some red ones because I like them so much. And I got your Salt sprocket with Salt thingy chain. And then I got Salt cranks. Pretty nice sound. Not very loud, but Salt back hub. Another Salt forged peg on the back, pretty grinded out. Another Salt high Q light rim. And see-through brake pads, Salt. Weird People Justice seat, pretty decent. And that's my bike.